Approaching North Pole Station!
Wow, look! Santa's workshop!
Whoa!
Ho, ho, ho! Hello, Nico, Mandy, Flap, and Nate.
According to my calculations, it's Santa! The real Santa! And he knows our names!
We've got a special delivery for you, Santa.
Thanks to some help from Nate.
Done.
And delivered.
What's all this?
Letters from the kids in Traxville telling you what they'd like for Christmas. Is that a good or a bad
Well, I'm afraid it's not good. It's too late to make any more presents. It's time to make our deliveries. And there's a storm brewing. We need to head out soon, or we'll get caught in it.
But we came all this way, and the kids worked so hard on their letters. And now they won't get presents? I ruined Christmas!
There. You didn't ruin Christmas, Mandy. Christmas is about so much more than presents.
Yeah, like getting together with your family and friends. Friends, that's it! What if we got our friends to come and help make presents for the kids?
Well, we do have a little time. With some help, we could make the toys we need. Even Santa needs a little extra help sometimes. Ho, ho, ho.